In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to your Manychat account. If you're looking to take your social media engagement to the next level, having your Instagram connected to Manychat can be a powerful tool. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can streamline your communication strategy effortlessly. First, we'll start by logging into your Manychat account. If you're already a user, this should be pretty straightforward. Open up your web browser, navigate to Manychat's website, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture here. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among these options, you'll find My Profile. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on the profile page, look for the option to create a new account. It should appear as a button labeled plus create new account. Clicking this will open a window displaying various channel choices you can connect to Manychat. Scroll through this list until you find Instagram. It's easily recognizable with its classic icon. Once located, select Instagram by clicking on it. The next step involves navigating over to Instagram. You'll notice a button within Manychat that says Go to Instagram. Click on it and it will redirect you to Instagram's login page. Now here's where it's crucial to have your Instagram credentials handy. Log in with your username and password as you normally would. After successfully logging in, you'll be prompted to grant Manychat the necessary permissions to connect with your Instagram account. This step is vital because it allows Manychat to access Instagram data, enabling all those automated features you've been eager to use. You'll need to agree to these permissions for the integration to proceed. With permissions granted, you'll now select which Instagram account you'd like to link. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one that aligns with your communication objectives. If by chance you encounter any hiccups during this process, don't worry. A common troubleshooting step involves resetting Facebook permissions for Manychat, as Instagram and Facebook management are often interlinked. Resetting the permissions can resolve lingering issues and help establish a fresh connection. With these steps completed, you're now set to enhance your communications and engagement through Instagram using Manychat's dynamic features. Remember, integrating tools like Manychat with Instagram not only saves time but also allows you to reach out to your audience more effectively and personally. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to leave a comment below. Happy chatting!